Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions for lock screen in Xiaomi 13. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings, go for the additional settings. Right here, find the gesture shortcuts. And now we can see them all. Let's check which of the options work on a lock screen. So we have launch Google Assistant by pressing and holding power key for 0.5 second. Let's try it out when the phone is unlocked, and as you can see it works. Now when it's locked, also it works fine. Next is a take screenshot. So there's two options if you enter that setting. Here we can slide down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot, or use the volume down and a power key to make a screenshot as well. Let's try it on lock screen. Obviously we'll need to wake up our phone for that, and let's try it now. This one works fine, and the 3 fingers also works fine. Next is a partial screenshot. So you need to hold your 3 fingers to take a partial screenshot of your phone. Now let's see on the lock screen. This feature doesn't work. Launch camera, double press the power button or double press volume down when the screen is locked. We're gonna check both of the options. So double press power key and it launches our camera fine, and double press volume down to also launch camera. Both of the options work on your lock screen. Next is turn on torch, and here you will need to replace the camera for the flashlight. Now let's try to launch it during lock screen, and as you can see it works fine. Last is a back tap, so you can customize this option if you like. If you click on it, you can choose what will happen when you double back tap your phone and triple back tap your phone. Let's choose double back tap and enable the silent mode, and triple back tap to launch the camera maybe. Now we need to lock our phone, and if we double tap somewhere around here, we should get the camera or assistant, but maybe our phone needs to be locked up. Yep. So it doesn't work when your phone is dimmed like that. It needs to be awake to actually make it work. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.